I said, man, like these little edits make a video good. Like the zoom in with the sound effect, then the suspense rising. Boom. Another little tip I can give you for this multi-clip commentary videos is, as you can see, none of my clips take longer than 5 seconds. Like these are all like 2 to 5 seconds, but longer than 5 seconds. The thing with these multi-commentary shorts is like you want to make sure that they're like super highly engaging. Like I've always said this, and people's brains are like super fried. They can't watch something straight for like more than 10 seconds. You got to make sure that you're switching the stuff up, especially for these types of shorts. So as you can see, like every 2 to 5 seconds, I'm changing the clip. Boom, boom, boom.